How to check your location history on iPhone. To check your location history on your iPhone, follow these steps. So for location history, firstly, you will need to open Settings on your device. Inside Settings, scroll down to the very bottom. At the bottom, in the third last section, you should see an option called Privacy and Security. Click on it and you will see an interface like this. Here, select the option Location Services. Now scroll down to the bottom and select the option System Services. Inside System Services, again scroll down to the bottom. Now select the option Significant Locations. Verify your Face ID or Screen Time passcode to enter this option. Now under the section Summary, you should see your records. Now click on the records. Inside records, you will be able to see your location history. That is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.